MTC's been looking at a new initiative recently called Health of Environment. This is an effort to individually analyze a correctional facility or detention center to determine what can be done to improve the general environmental conditions for both residents and staff in a simple, secure, and cost-effective way. The initiative is led by MTC consultant Catherine Loki.
So we have people in these environments that we're wanting them to be rehabilitated. We're wanting them to learn. We're wanting them to go out into the world and be healthier people and better able to cope. But if we have them in these environments for long periods of time that are just wearing away at their ability to do that, that's going to be counterproductive. So that's what we're doing, is going into the environments and doing an informal assessment, asking questions, talking to people, and then making recommendations for what we see according to what the needs of the facility are, what their resources are, and what the research says is going to be most impactful. Like, which changes are going to be the most impactful to just improve the lives of the people who work there and the people who live there, of course.
An assessment was recently made at the Otero County Prison Facility, resulting in strategic but minor changes. The first indicators suggest the improvements are having an impact. Based on individual assessments, health of environment changes can include increasing access to natural light where possible, switching out fluorescent light bulbs to full-spectrum LEDs, installing air filters, bringing in plants to strengthen a connection to nature and improve air quality, creating absorbent, uneven surfaces to soften grating noise, including installing wood where possible, keeping thermostats on the cooler side.
When we as human beings are in environments that are good for us, that are conducive to a healthy mental, emotional, and physical state, we just perform better. We function better. We're not as sick. We're not as stressed out. We're not as reactive. And I think that's the big thing. Like, if we can shift these environments in little tiny ways, and that's what the initiative is all about.
Through her work with this MTC project and others, Catherine's impressions remain the same.
I want to just reiterate how wonderful MTC staff are. I mean, I'm just amazed by the staff, and I'm amazed by the leadership.